Today we talk about how can you use one debit card on your Walmart app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on services down here. So when you click here on services here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. So it's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So you keep going down, then you come here to financial here services, then you will find here one debit card, click on it. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So to choose one here, then you click here on get start. So then you just switch into show for your list here. So it's going to take a time to open with you here. It's going to load it with us. So then here add your enter your codes just here, then it's going to take you to add your to one on your Walmart app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.